Money fear is a very real emotion, but it doesn't have to control your life or dictate your decisions. The truth is, much of the financial anxiety we experience stems from a simple lack of a clear, actionable plan. Hey everyone, and welcome back to House of Resilient, the channel dedicated to providing you with essential financial education. In this video, I'll guide you through creating a simple, practical financial plan that helps you feel in control, not overwhelmed, and replaces that fear with genuine confidence. When you don't have a financial plan, every single financial decision can feel like an urgent crisis. An unexpected bill, a sudden market dip, or even just a what-if scenario can trigger immense stress and uncertainty. But with a well-thought-out plan, you shift from constantly reacting to calmly responding. This fundamental shift provides you with a clear structure, a defined path, and an invaluable sense of control over your financial future. A financial plan doesn't guarantee you'll never face challenges. Life is unpredictable, after all. However, it does equip you with a robust roadmap to navigate those challenges with unwavering confidence and resilience. Before you can effectively plan for your future, you absolutely need to understand your present financial situation. This involves gathering key information about your income, expenses, debts, and savings. First, accurately determine your income. How much you actually take home each month after taxes and deductions. Next, list your fixed expenses, which are consistent payments like rent, utilities, loan payments, and subscriptions. Then, identify your variable expenses, such as food, gas, shopping, and entertainment, which fluctuate month to month. Detail all your debts, including the total amount, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. Finally, assess your savings across all accounts: checking, emergency fund, retirement, and investments. It's perfectly normal if these numbers feel a bit uncomfortable at first. Facing them head-on is the first step. Remember, clarity always comes before confidence, and this detailed assessment is your foundation. Without clear goals, your money lacks direction, drifting aimlessly without purpose. Set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, often referred to as SMART goals. For example, instead of save money, aim to pay off $5,000 of credit card debt in 12 months. Another great example is to build a $10,000 emergency fund in 18 months or invest $300 per month into a Roth IRA. You could also set a goal to save for a house down payment in 3 years, giving you a clear target. Once you have your goals, write them down, prioritize them, and then break them into smaller, manageable monthly or weekly actions. This makes large goals feel less daunting and more achievable, fostering consistent progress. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about providing clear direction for your money, aligning it with your goals. A popular starting point is the 50/30/20 rule, which simplifies how you allocate your income. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, such as housing, food, and insurance. Dedicate 30% to wants, which include dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. And finally, commit 20% to savings and debt repayment, building your financial future. Remember, these are guidelines. Adjust them based on your unique life circumstances and priorities. The goal is to be intentional with every dollar, not to achieve perfect adherence. Tools like Enab, Every Dollar, Monarch, or even simple spreadsheets can help you track and manage your budget effectively. One of the fastest and most effective ways to reduce money anxiety is to build a robust financial buffer. Start by saving $1,000 as a mini fund, a quick win to cover small, unexpected expenses. Then, aim to build a larger emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This isn't just about financial security. It's about profound peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for life's curveballs. An emergency fund acts as a critical safety net, preventing you from going into debt when unforeseen events occur. You don't need a PhD in finance to manage your debt and invest wisely. You just need a simple, consistent system. For debt, start by listing all your debts by interest rate, from highest to lowest. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, using the debt avalanche method, which saves you the most money over time. Make minimum payments on all your debts, then throw any extra funds at the top priority debt. Once that debt is paid off, roll that payment amount into the next highest interest debt, creating a powerful snowball effect. For investing, start early and consistently, even with small amounts, to harness the power of compound interest. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs for broad market exposure and diversification. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like 401s and IRAs, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. These are essentially free money and a cornerstone of long-term wealth building. Remember, your financial plan isn't a static document. It's a living guide that needs regular review and adjustment. Aim to review your plan at least annually or whenever significant life events occur, such as a new job, marriage, or the birth of a child. Avoid common pitfalls like procrastination, making emotional financial decisions, and a lack of consistency. Stay disciplined, stay informed, and trust the process you've established. By diligently following these steps, you can systematically build financial security, replacing fear with the confidence that comes from being prepared and in control. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to House of Resilient for more financial wisdom. What's your biggest financial goal for this year? Let us know in the comments below.